Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the Power BI July 2025 update on fill parameter. There is no auto collapse when you change the measure or columns in a matrix visual using fill parameter. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the data table first, which we are going to use for the filled parameter. So this is the data table. You can see the region, country, customer. This is the sales data, business segment, and we will use a column infill parameter, category, model, color, and we will, as a measure, we will use total sales, total order quantity, and we will calculate the discount also. I have already calculated, so I will show you the calculation. It is a very simple measure. So let me select this. So this is the total sales, so sum of total sales, and this is the total order quantity, sum of order quantity column, and this is the discount. So what we are doing in the discount, we using a sum x. So total sales minus list price minus unit price multiply by order quantity. So we are calculating the discount. So these three measures we are going to use in field parameter. So now let me go to the modeling tab and create a field parameter. So here is the field parameter. So first I will write a measure type, measure type, types, and from sales data table, I will add total sales, total order quantity, and total discount. So these three are my measures. So now I'll click on the career to and also select the option add slicer to this page. Now I click on the career slicer. So slicer is created actually. So let me bring it here on the top. Now I will I will do the single setting, single selection. So here from the option and setting, you have to go here and you have to select single select. Now another parameter is on the column. So I'll again go to the new parameter and the fields. And here I'll say columns type. Okay. So now from the cells table, I will select a first category, then color, and then model. So these three parameter I will select. And now I'll click on create. So it will add another slicer. And now I will set it as single slicer. Okay. Now this two slicers field parameters is ready now. Now I'll create a one table, matrix actually. And now I'll bring it here and I will increase the size. So as a column, first I will add a business segment. So this is not fill parameter. And after that, I will add column types here, next level. Now as the measure type, I will directly add a measures type as a measure in the value column. So as you can see here, if I will expand here, now you can see the total sales and by business segment. Now I'll expand as a bike and the types of the bike. So currently you will see the it is category selected, so it is showing the bike categories. Now for example, if I will select a total order quantity, what was happening here, you can see the total order quantity. What was happening earlier, when you change the measure, it will be collapse like this, and again you have to, it will be actually collapse, and after that you have to again expand. So now if you will change to the total discount, it will not collapse automatically. And this is the update in July 2025. And now if I'll select a color, if you can see here, So it is as it is. If I select a model, you can see it will not automatically collapse. It is like, it is in whatever the original position. It will change the columns, but it will not collapse automatically. Now if I'll change the color, same thing, the measure, it will be whatever is expanded, it will be as it is. So this is the new thing in July 2025 Power BI update. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.